Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a 10 by 20 inch canvas that I did a video a long time ago, and my inclination is to just have some fun with it because it's not doing it for me anymore. That's some Anita's White Pearl. That's some Hobby Lobby turquoise that I had to mix up, so it's a custom color. This is the Hot Orchid from Color Art. This is a Venetian Blue from Modern Masters. This is a Hobby Lobby Orange. I really should be contemplating whether I want to swipe with a cloth, because I keep thinking I want to, and then I don't do it. I'm going to use some of my conventional black right across the bottom. Find the gold. Actually, I think I'm going to try and unplug the top of my green gold from Folk Art really quickly. I pulled out the rest of the bottles I thought I was going to use. Well, there's enough. I don't know what this is going to be like. I am going to use Floetrol, and I do want a whole bunch more white. And I said I wanted some gold, and then I didn't grab it. So the gold should be right there, and it is. Cool. Plugged. Not cool. We'll get it in just a split second here. Or we won't. Let's just take some of that. Leave the top off. If I can clear it quickly, I will. There we go. So we're just going to see what's going to happen here. I want some more. I want more. When don't I want more? And what else? No idea. I just want to swipe right up. But instead I'm going to take this with card. Am I? No, I'm not. I'm going to take my normal, if I have it, my magic card, put some Floetrol. Actually, I'll just use that Floetrol. Knock that over the end. This over this end. Let's see how I like that. Well, I'm not hating it. I just don't have any feelings about it yet. I may play with it some more. I'm going to try and swipe up this side also. I'm going to wipe my card off all the way down. Sort of let that paint that's flowing to the edge flow over. And wipe my card off again. I'm using a fair amount of pressure on this, but I'm gliding the card. I'm not feeling the canvas, I'm only feeling the paint. Now my inclination is to go ahead and grab a smaller card, and I did just make one. I made one long that I'm going to fold over, so I'm going to use some of it as a handle. And this may not work, but it might. I should have used Floetrol on the second one. So I'm not hating that, but I am really liking the idea of the black across the bottom. And this kind of is a precursor to my doing some swipes that have stages to them, which is definitely another... Almost dumped it. Whew. I am going to go ahead and give myself some more Hot Orchid from Color Art. Dip my card. Push it over the end. Pull it down a little ways. tile is sliding away. And I'm going to wipe that off. Should follow the same lines, I guess. I do want to use that paint, so I will just knock off whatever's on my card over the end. And then I'm just going to drag. I think I'm going to drag a few things, in fact. I think I'm going to do this and this. And that's too bad because I had some great cells there. But it's all an experiment for me, so drag the card right down through. Colors showing through aren't too bad. Use my card, break up that hard line on the end. No, I don't hate that. Got enough residual paint so I can camouflage my sides. Maybe I should do what I have been doing a lot of, which is just go ahead. Put lines in everything. I think everything deserves lines right now. I think I'm happy with my basting brush swipe. I'm going to be careful not to push my tines down too close to the canvas because the ferrule that holds them in place will leave a mark I do not want. So I don't mind that, but I want more pink all the way across. And I love that turquoise with the color shifting green gold up there. So I'm thinking maybe it would be okay to give myself, come on, out you come. I forgot it was almost plugged. It's very slow. Maybe that's a good thing because then I won't get too much of it. Because I really like the way that green gold looks in there. And what else do I want to do? I kind of want to add some gold, and then I might tip. Because that end is a little strange. It's not really like you can repeat this, but even if you had a black canvas behind, there my dots are dripping, that's okay. I forgot to comb through here. Kind of want to bring those right back up again. Do I want to do anything else? I want all the bottles to stop being in the way, that's what I want. Gosh, this is my opportunity, I guess. For doing whatever makes me happy. And I have enough paint flowing so that I can just tip. But I'm pretty sure I'm just going to keep doing what I was doing. Because I can the name of my first book on the Amazon link under the link tree. On the link tree, when you click the link tree underneath the video. So that's okay, but it's still not making me happy enough yet. I want the regular gold. That might do it. Love what the basting brush does. There we go. We got a really cool looking ruffle right there at the top. Hopefully you can see that. And because I like that so much, I'm going to do exactly the same thing down here. And I'm going to think about whether I want to clear that tip on that green a little bit better so I can get some more paint out. Alright, well I have some. It's not good enough. Sorry. I want some more orange above these dots here too, so that's coming. Alright, my tweezers need to go in the bucket really bad right now. Yeah, I'm not settling for anything less than exactly what I want in this. So I'll put a little more orange right here and here. And maybe a little bit there. Zigzagging my way to happiness. Making a cool piece of art. Love the orange with the hot orchid from Color Art. It just makes me want to have some at the bottom now. Go figure. Surprise! Not anybody. This is pretty cool. There. I have over 91,000 subscribers. I'm going to torch to release any bubbles caught in the paint. I'm not going to worry about any not symmetrical areas, she said as she fixed something immediately. Can't trust me. Okay, my tools are going in the bucket. My torch is coming out. Please give me a thumbs up and like my videos. I really appreciate you guys sharing them because not that many people ever watch. It happens over time, but not compared to my contemporary artists, other pourers. So I could use some attention and sharing my videos and liking them, and watching them longer really helps a lot too. Tells the YouTube algorithm I might be worth keeping. Do I need another dot in there? Because it looks to me like I do. I mean, I'm sure it's no big deal to you guys, but right now I like what I have so much that I'd like it to... Don't dip your bottle in there. So on the end screens of every video there is an exhibition video, and on that exhibition video you can see what the monthly prizes are for those of you who want to join the who want to join the monthly drawing. What did I do with that? I dumped it in the bucket. Dumb bunny. Okay. Well, I often have skewered my way to happiness in the past, so I guess I'll just do it again. So I've got a few of those, and I'm liking them enough to make them want to be even. And that gold is... You can use the blunt end of a skewer just to fill in whatever you might need to. Do I need more white? I think I'm okay. Well, maybe I can get rid of this white and it'll make it less obvious. Alright, so I love you guys. I think I told you that. I have an Amazon link. It's under the link tree. If you shop there, it's at no added cost to you. And I really appreciate when you shop there because eventually it helps me buy art supplies. I'm just going to keep twiddling with those little green peas until I get them the way I want to. But I'm actually really happy with that. That's a pretty piece of art. That's a cheerful piece of art too. Considering what we're all going through right now, that's a really good thing. Alright, so I love you guys. I love your comments. You keep my morale boosted. And if you're looking for the community board for tomorrow's video, it's on my YouTube channel. Or you can find tomorrow's video on Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group, a Facebook group for students, and it's on the link tree with the other two Facebook links, which are Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, totes, and more for shoppers, to take the Shop Now button to go to FineArtAmericaandPixels.com. Also, you will find Expressionist Art Studio Gallery fans and collectors, where you can look at the albums of the edited artworks. What else do I have to tell you guys? I have 18 lists of 100, or I have 17 lists of 100 videos, and I'm working on the 18th list. And my playlists also include and are separated into topic and genre. If you guys have a question, please feel free to ask me. If you need a link, please feel free to ask me. Thank you all for the wonderful comments you've left me in the past, and thank you all for the donations that help keep me painting all this time. I really think that this is a success. It could come down to me having lots of experience, but I did not care for the other painting any longer, and it did not look as good as this does right now. So, you guys take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Know I love you dearly. Hope to see you again soon. I post every day and multiple times on weekends, and sometimes I accidentally post bunches of videos. So look for that too. You guys, I love you. Bye for now. Priscilla out. I'll see you anon. I should zoom in, shouldn't I? Since I can. Pretty cool. I love that lacy end. Really love the pattern. Alright, you guys, take care of each other. Bye for now. Priscilla out.